Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to report fraud on OPay. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch the OPay app on your device and log in using your account's credentials. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you have a couple of options to explore. Now, once you're here, navigate to the Me tab that's located at the bottom right corner of the screen. So here you have Home, Rewards, Finance, Cards, and Me. So tap on that and it's going to take you to the Me section. Within the Me section, you're going to see a couple of options: transaction history, account limits, bank card and account transfer to Me, security center, customer service center, invitation, OPay USSD, and with us. Select customer service center to access support options. Under the customer service menu, you will see transfer dispute, erroneous transfer record, lift restrictions, cut dispute, login and payment, account limits, mobile number change, and report scam. So just go ahead and select report scam. And it takes you here. In this new window, you need to fill in the required fields with detailed information about the fraudulent activity. So the first thing is to choose the type of report: account theft, internet fraud, or erroneous transfer. Once you do that, the next step, you'll be asked to give a description of the incident, transaction ID if applicable, date and time of the occurrence, and any supporting evidence such as screenshots or receipts. After reviewing the information, tap Submit to send your fraud report to OPay's support team and receive a confirmation notification indicating that your report has been received and is under review. If you suspect unauthorized access to your account, change your password and PIN immediately. For urgent matters, contact OPay customer support directly. Likewise, ensure you use OPay channels to report fraud to avoid further risk. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.